So it is A, B, C, D, A, F. We'll be starting with this word, the very first word that you need to learn in French, and this is bonjour. 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 You will be using to say good morning as well as hello. So bonjour you can use in morning obviously because the meaning is good morning, as well as you can use this word to say hello. So till 4 5 in evening it means now, like when we come in class, at this time also we can use bonjour to greet each and everyone. So till evening you can start your conversation while saying bonjour. Bonjour. It works like hello and good morning as well. Now, before moving to any topic or any context, I would like to tell you how we learn this language, so that you must be knowing what is the way to move ahead in this language, what we are doing. So we'll see that. So you can see on my screen, we are having 6 levels here. A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. So these are the 6 levels that we have to move ahead, to cover, to learn the language. We are having 6 levels. You can see the level. So obviously we are going to start with A1 level because we are just starting with the language. We are just starting, we are the beginners. So we will be starting with A1 level, and then you can move ahead with this language. Once you are having the A1 level, you can move ahead accordingly. Now the question comes that what we are going to do in this A1 level. What is it all about? What we are going to cover in A1? What we will be learning? So in A1, we are going to do the greetings. So while talking in French, French people, they are very particular about the greetings, how you are greeting each and everyone, formally, informally, how you are starting your conversation, how you are ending your conversation. This is very important when we are using this language. So we will be doing the greetings. After that, you will be able to introduce yourself in French. So to present yourself, to introduce yourself in French, you will be, hopefully you will be able to do at the end of this session, this uh, level. After this, we will also be able to introduce the third person. It can be your family member, your friend, your any famous person. You can easily introduce yourself as well as the other person, the third person. You can introduce any other person as well. And along with this, we will be also learning some questions. For example, when somebody is introducing yourself, somebody is introducing his or herself, then you can also ask some questions. For example, um, from where you are, what is your contact number, what is your date of birth, what do you like, what you don't like, what do you do, what is your nationality. These basic simple questions you can ask to other person to know about the person. So these questions also we are going to do. After this, we will be doing the days, dates, months, numbers. These all things we will do to start framing the simple sentences. Because in grammar, we are going to start with some basic tenses. So from my side, I will be telling you how to use future, present, past in French. So the basic simple sentences you can easily make if you are going to listen me carefully, if you are going to participate, okay, you are going to give your assignments on time, and you are going to revise the documents or whatever we are doing in the class. So moving to the first topic that we need to do here, and that is alphabet. Hmm? Alphabet, and the article is L apostrophe, so it will become l'alphabet. Hmm? So when we talk about this language, you can see the heading is in French. So the letters that we are writing like in English only. We are writing the letters in Roman only. Hmm? So there is no difference in letters. Letters we are going to write exactly like we write in English, but sounds are different. The letters are having different sounds than English, so that makes a difference between these two languages. See on my screen in red I have written the letters, so they are exactly same, A, B, C, D, same letters, but in black I have written the sound. For example, A is going to be A, B is going to be B. So these black words are not having any meaning. Okay, there's no meaning of these black words. These are only for your reference. Okay, only for your reference how to pronounce this letter, what sound you have to give to this particular letter, but it doesn't mean you will start writing the words while using these black words. No, we'll just use them to know the sound, the pronunciation of the respective letter. So we'll see how to give the sound to these letters, and then we'll see what ahead. So try to listen me carefully and try to differentiate what letters, what alphabets are same to English, are similar to English, those are, or also find those are not. Those are having the different sounds. So here you have A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. I'm repeating from the beginning once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Now it's O, P, Q, R, T, U, V, W, X, Y Z. I'm repeating. O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So it is A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. For example, if I say okay, bonjour, if I say bonjour, je m'appelle Mary. Hello, my name is Mary. Je m'appelle is my name is, and then your name. So names will not change, pronunciation, spelling will not change. Your names will remain same. Okay, to tell your name, you will say je m'appelle, and your name. Spelling and pronunciation is going to remain same. Je m'appelle and your name. So for example, if I say bonjour, je m'appelle Mary, and okay, you are asking me what is the spelling of your name. So to ask the spelling, you can ask comment ça s'écrit? Comment ça s'écrit? Comment ça s'écrit? It means how do we write? How do we write the name, for example, right? So to tell the spelling of my name, I will be using these sounds. Okay, Faizi Khan, look at your spelling. This is je m'appelle. Your spelling is not correct. Hansraj, it's tu t'appelles. And this is not tu t'appelles actually, this is tu t'appelles comment. Tu t'appelles comment is the question to ask the name. So we will be using these sounds to give the spelling of a particular word. For example, for my name, I will be giving the spelling M A double R Y. Srijan Gupta, can you please unmute yourself? Srijan. Rishabh.
Yes, ma'am.
Rishabh, did you find some letters those are similar to English? We
No,
have
no, ma'am.
no.
Their pronunciation are a bit different.
But not in all. We are
Yes, ma'am.
having we are having some letters. Those are similar to English. Rohan Pathak.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell us some letters? Those are similar to English.
Ma'am, I think M and S.
MNS. We
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Okay. So here we have seen that um, mm, 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 L M N O Q S U, these are similar to English, right? And the other
Yes.
letters are quite different. Now here when we
And
come to
F,
the sorry,
F.
S, F also, yes, F also similar.
एक्सक्यूज मैम। मैम आपने जो बोनजोर मैम आगे रिपीट कर दिया, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया।
After bonjour, I have written je m'appelle, and then you will be telling your name. Je m'appelle Mary. Je m'appelle Pierre. Je m'appelle Sophia. Je m'appelle Ekta. Je m'appelle Srijan. So you can tell your name while using this phrase. Je m'appelle. Je
मैम इट इज फ्रेज।
sentence.
मैम व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ जेम एप्पल?
My name is.
ओके मैम।
So if you want to tell us your name in French, you can say Je m'appelle Sarvesh. Ankush, comment ça s'écrit? For example, Sarvesh is telling us Je m'appelle Sarvesh. So we can ask, we don't know the spelling of his name. So we can ask, we can use this question. We can say Comment ça s'écrit? How do we write? So now Sarvesh will give us the spelling of his name while using the sounds that we have done. S, A, R, V, A, S, Ash. So he will tell us that this is the spelling of his name. When you ask Como ça s'écrit, it means you are asking about the spelling of the respective word or whatever it is.
What is the meaning of Sasikri?
How do we write? How do we write it? You are asking the spelling while asking this question. Now if we come to voyelle, les voyelles, the vowels, they are going to be same like in English. Donc A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels and exactly same to English. A, I, A, E, I, O, U. These five vowels we are having here in French as well, but you can see two letters H and Y in blue. So H and Y, we keep them in semi vowels because we are not going to treat H and Y as a vowel. Every time we are not going to treat them as a vowel. So yes, most of the times we treat H and Y also as a vowel, but not always. So yes, you can say 1% cases are there where H and Y, they are not the vowels. That's why we keep them in semi-vowels. But a, e, o, u, every time we are going to treat them as a vowel, and ash and y, most of the times they are vowels, but yes, you have some cases where they are not going to be treated as a vowel. Next thing about ash is ash going to be silent in most of the words. So as a beginner, you keep in your mind that H is silent in French. We do not pronounce ash. Okay, most of the times we do not pronounce. Yes, later on when we go ahead, you may find one or two words where we are pronouncing H, but yes, most of the times H is going to be silent. Okay, now here as we have seen, some letters are similar to English, some letters are difficult to pronounce. So they are not difficult, we just have to pay some more attention to them so that we are not going to confuse. We are not going to misspell any word. So the heading is here, les lettres difficiles. Les lettres difficiles. Les lettres difficiles. If you see, all the three words are ending with S, and we are not pronouncing S here because there is no vowel after S. If there is no vowel after the last consonant, then we will not pronounce that consonant. If there is any vowel, most of the time it's E only, then we will be pronouncing the consonant. So here S is going to be
What
silent
is the
because, sorry?
what is the English of this what is the English of this sentence written in top?
Les lettres difficiles, it means the difficult letters. Difficile means difficult. Lettres, letters, and les is the article, the difficult letters. So we will see like G is G, G is G, H is H, and J is J. So it like possibilities there that we are going to get confused between G and J. So G is J and J is J. G is J, J is J. And E is A and I is E. E is A, I is E. So we need to pay some more attention here as well. R is air, air. W is W, W. X is X and Y is Y.